Are you living in Europe but dreaming of starting a business in Africa? Leverage the skills and insights you've gained abroad to tap into Africa's growing markets. In this video, we discuss 5 profitable businesses you can start in Africa right now based on experiences and knowledge developed in Europe. 1. Nursing homes. With an aging population and changing family dynamics in Africa, there's a growing demand for quality elder care. 2. E-scooters and mobility solutions. Urban areas are expanding, and eco-friendly transportation is the future. Learn how to launch an e-scooter business in key cities. 3. Food industry. Use your exposure to diverse cuisines in Europe to create innovative food ventures, from restaurants to packaged goods. 4. Laundromats. With urbanization on the rise, laundromats offer a convenient solution for busy families and professionals. 5. Automatic car washes. As car ownership increases, this time-saving service is a smart investment for growing cities.